Poonam, what jumped out at you out of this press release here? Did it give you what you thought we were going to get?
Yeah, it gave us really strong results for the second quarter, but I'd say what surprised me is the operating margin guidance that they've given for 3Q. Came in less than what we'd expect, but I guess the question is why? Because we do still think that AWS margins will hold up at above 30%. So is the issue on the retail side? And that's what we're looking to hear on the call later today.
And of course, this was a quarter that included a Prime Day, so we should have seen big numbers for the net sales part of the retail business. Were expectations higher as a result of that, or has that usually been priced in by this point?
So Prime Day actually falls in the third quarter of Amazon's results.
Okay.
It's in July, but this quarter did have, these small event sales that they had. Nonetheless, the quarter came in about in line, I would say. At 10%, it was within their guidance for 7 to 11%, and I think that was still respectable.
So talk to us about how they sort of get costs. I don't want to use the word under control, but to at least get their cost structure at a level that investors are going to be comfortable with. And for that matter, analysts like yourself. I mean, this is a company, and we were just talking a little bit earlier with Kuei Win over at Research Affiliates, kind of about the parallels of what we saw in the 90s with Amazon, where it was spending a ton of money, not making a ton of money, and somehow investors, to a certain extent, gave them a pass. Now, they're spending a ton of money, but they're still making a ton of money, Poonam. What more do investors want?
I think we just want to see them continue to make more money, right? We're seeing the retail side of the business improve. Yeah. Retail margins now are mid-single digits. I mean, if you asked me 5-10 years ago, I would say not possible, but it's possible thanks to advertising. That business still grew 20+% in the quarter, and we expect those gains to continue. So I think that is where the profitability is going to come from. In addition to the cloud business, which we saw had higher margins in the second quarter, and we do see that cloud business getting to 40% operating profit margins over time.